how to connect Teespring to Linktree. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Teespring account to your Linktree account. So to do this, the first thing to do is to log into your Teespring account, just like I have done here. And then once you're on your home page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see some options such as home, integrations, upgrades, etc. Click on integrations. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Ensure you select Linktree. Once you've selected Linktree, you will be taken to the page where you have to set this up. So just click on add this to my Linktree. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to your Linktree's account. Okay, now once you're on this account, you'll see the option add link, right, in purple. Just click on it. Now once you click on it, you'll see enter URL, then you see store, and then scroll down until you see view all apps, then click on it. Once you've clicked on it, scroll down until you see spring. Yes, this is it. You just click on add. Then once you click on add, the toggle here, ensure you make it come alive, and then just like that the link will be added. So to enter your spring URL, just set it up with your link. So you're just putting your link here, and then once you put your link in, tap on this toggle, and then it will come on automatically. So this is how you can connect your Teespring to your Linktree account. Doing this will make your products to also appear on your Linktree account. Very cool, right here. So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.